to free your laugh and dissolve into the tone.